Hi there, my name's Raegan. I work here at the Bourbonnais Public Library. Today we're doing an unboxing video of some new books that we just got in. We're super excited. You guys see a lot of the books that we get on the shelves, but we wanted to show you how we get them on there. We order our books from a book distributor, and they send them here to us. I'm using my handy dandy letter opener that I love to use because it means that there's new books here. I get to be a big part of ordering our YA and teen collection, but we all do a big, we all contribute and we all have a part in ordering books, but I love it. There's lots of different lists that I look at. I look at publishing houses. I keep an eye on our series and what new releases there are to make sure that we always have the books that you guys want. So take out our paper that keeps our books cozy and safe in transit. We have this new book. This is a series that actually was Kobe Bryant was a part of. He was an author, so we were super excited to get it. It'll be really good. If you want to know what it's about, you're gonna have to come find out. But it is Legacy and the Queen, and it's sports and magic and teamwork, and so kind of what Kobe Bryant was about. Ooh, I'm really excited. This is We Unleash the Merciless Storm. I've been waiting on the sequel for a really long time, so you should come and read it. This is the second one. It's super good. It's like, oh, I can't even tell you. We don't have enough time, but it's so good. You should check it out. Oh, this is also part of the Kobe Bryant series, so it's a bunch of like the sports. It's a whole series, and so one is tennis, one is basketball, and it's all in this like fantasy realm, so it looks really intriguing. I don't know what this one is about. I didn't order it. Like I said, we have a big, a lot of people here working on it. We're a big team. This is Powwow Summer. Actually, I did order that. I do remember that now. So come check it out. Ooh, this looks pretty. I love the cover work on this. This is The Fire Never Goes Out, a memoir in pictures. So you never know what you're gonna get, but this is, I wouldn't quite say a graphic novel, but it looks really interesting. And then, oh, this cover work, look at this, by Trisha Levenseller. This is The Shadow Between Us. She is a very popular author. You should come check her out, but this cover work is just beautiful. And next up, oh, this is not teen or YA, but this is the brand new with the fancy sticker here, Coretta Scott King Award winner, and the new #1 winner for the Caldecott this year, the Undefeated. So this is a really exciting one that we just got in. You should definitely come check it out. The artwork is incredible in this. So once I unload our boxes, I put them on this shelf here, and I will go through and we process them. So we sort them into the collection that they go into, write the author, put on all the stickers that need to happen, and then I ship them up to our circulation desk in the back, and they process all the books and get them in the system for us. So that's kind of how our books come to us. We process them through, they get them in the system, put them out on the shelf for you, and you get to check them out and take them home. So I hope you enjoyed our little behind the scenes video. Thanks.